Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie, and in this week's video, we are sharing our 5th, 6th, and 7th day in Prague. Some of it is kind of fun. At the end of the day, it's really how we live our life while we travel slowly around the world. So let's go check it all out. So today is day 5. We are back in Prague. It is a Saturday. The weather's pretty good. It's really windy, about 65, I guess. Anyway, every Saturday there is a farmer's market, and that is the first thing that we are doing today. It's on both sides. We're going to hit that one first, then make our way over on that side before we make our way to the grocery store, because it is supposed to rain most of the day. So we have just a couple of hours to get some basic errands done and some sightseeing. So that's the plan for the day. Hold on, they may have jalapenos. They have some peppers way in the back. Day 5 in Prague, we went to Albert grocery store. We spent 720 crowns, which is approximately $30 US, and this is what we got. So after we walked through the farmer's market today, we made our way over to the grocery store, bought a bunch of stuff there, came home, we did some laundry. It has been raining all day. We worked on videos and blog stuff, but then I was scrolling through trying to find an American grocery store, and I found one, or actually an American store, and I saw that they had my favorite Monster Rehabs, which in real life I drink these every day, but I have not had one in, I guess, 6 or 7 weeks now. So I've been drinking Coke. These are my favorite. Whole can is like 10 calories. I don't drink it for that. I like the flavor too. Anyway, we made our way over there. The price tag on the shelf said 190 crowns, which is roughly $6. So Garrett said, well, you can get 2. And actually, I just pretty much told him I'm getting 2. He was not happy about paying $6 for one Monster Rehab. Anyway, I got to the register. They were only 60 crowns each, so I bought them out. I got 6 for what ended up being $2.57 each. So that's going to wrap up our 5th day in Prague. For the rest of the night, we are going to have some beverages and watch football. It's our 7th day in Prague, and we decided to take advantage of the halfway decent weather. It's about 50 degrees out, and we made our way over here to the Prague Castle complex, and we paid a total of 600 crowns, which is 250 crowns each, plus $50 more to be able to take pictures. So roughly $15 US for entry into 4 sections of the complex, which include St. George's, the Cathedral, Golden Lane, and the Great Hall. So we're going to take you along and go show you all of it. I hope you like this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. Check out our blog at slowtravelchronicles.com. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things. It really does help our channel out. We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next Thursday.